In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the recycle bin in Zoho CRM. Let's get started right from the Zoho CRM homepage. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account and you're on the main dashboard. This is usually the page you see after signing in, where you can view your modules like leads, contacts, deals, and so on. It's important to start here so that the navigation icons we're about to use are visible and consistent with what you see on your screen. Now, turn your attention to the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a small settings icon, typically represented by a gear. This is where most of your configuration and administrative options live. Go ahead and click that settings icon. If you're working in a smaller browser window and don't see it immediately, try maximizing your window or checking for any hidden menus that may collapse some icons. After clicking the settings icon, you'll be taken to the main settings area. This page is organized into different sections that control various parts of your CRM. Here, you want to look for the section labeled Data Administration. This section is dedicated to tools that help you manage and maintain your CRM data, including imports, exports, backups, and of course, the recycle bin. Once you've found the Data Administration section, look within it for an option called Recycle Bin. Click on Recycle Bin to open it. This is the central place where Zoho CRM temporarily stores records that have been deleted from different modules, such as leads, contacts, accounts, or deals. Think of it like a safety net, allowing you to restore data if something was removed by mistake. Inside the recycle bin, you'll see a list of deleted records, usually organized by module and deletion date. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts provided by Zoho CRM. These prompts will guide you through actions like selecting records, restoring them back to their original modules, or permanently deleting them if you're sure they're no longer needed. Take your time to review the information for each record before you confirm any action, especially permanent deletion, since that can't be undone. And that's all you need to do. By using the settings icon, navigating to data administration, and then opening the recycle bin, you can quickly find and manage deleted records in Zoho CRM with confidence.